This Orgone pyramid in the ground. Okay, I see the Orgone pyramid. It actually has wires. Let me show y'all what I did. So the Orgone pyramid has these wires. If you look, right, I stuck the copper wire in the ground. Right, this has been sitting here, this Orgone pyramid, for months. So why do you think it is that these bees saw fit to build their beehive right above the pyramid? Why, of all places, they could have chose
I really got good eyes
to build a beehive? Why did they build it right here? That's my question to you. Now, not only did I have the pyramid there, let me show you what else I have here. Orgone Cube as well, with copper going in the ground. Okay, so that one is there. It's no surprise to me, honestly, that there happens to be a beehive up in the tree, and it looks like a beehive that kind of recently started. It's not something that's been there for a long time. They're not bothering anyone. I actually saw some of the bees down here on the ground, and I wasn't aware until when the kids told me that she spotted a nest. She called it a nest, but it's actually a beehive. So beehive right up in the tree, y'all. Can't make this up. Happening in real time. That's the power of Orgone energy. It makes all of organic life forms to feel strong, powerful, peaceful, and safe. So that's why I believe the bees chose to set up camp and build their beehive right there. So let me show you. Look at this. A beehive. That's definitely bees going in and out, in and out, in and out. They working, boy, I tell you. They are working overtime. These bees are working overtime. Now, I ain't scared of them. They ain't coming and stinging us. They ain't bothering us, so we not bothering them.